Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. We're driving along West Esplanade Avenue through the heart of Metairie, a community in Jefferson Parish just west of New Orleans. Today, this corridor is a major east-west route lined with homes, businesses, and neighborhood landmarks that reflect the area's suburban growth and evolving character. Metairie's story begins long before modern development. The name comes from the French word Metairie, meaning a small farm, a nod to the agricultural land grants established here during the French colonial period. For generations, this area remained largely rural, shaped by wetlands, bayous, and farmland, fed by nearby Lake Pontchartrain. That began to change in the early 20th century when advances in drainage and levee systems made large-scale development possible. The construction of canals, including those running parallel to West Esplanade Avenue, helped reclaim land from the swamps and laid the groundwork for residential neighborhoods. After World War II, Metairie experienced a population boom as families moved out of New Orleans in search of newer homes and quieter streets. West Esplanade Avenue became an important connector during this suburban expansion. The road provided access to growing neighborhoods, schools, churches, and shopping areas, helping define Metairie as a self-contained community rather than simply a suburb of the city. Many of the homes you see nearby reflect mid-century architectural styles, including ranch houses and brick residences, popular during the 1950s and 1960s. Like much of southeast Louisiana, this area has faced challenges from hurricanes and flooding. During Hurricane Katrina in 2005, parts of Metairie experienced significant flooding, especially in low-lying neighborhoods near drainage canals. Recovery efforts reshaped infrastructure and reinforced the importance of flood control throughout the parish. Today, West Esplanade Avenue reflects Metairie's balance of past and present. It's a route shaped by history, engineering, and community growth, carrying commuters, families, and visitors through a landscape that continues to evolve while remaining deeply connected to the story of Greater New Orleans.
watching!